Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and here's another Halloween cat for you. So go ahead and outline your cat cookie in an orange royal icing, or the color of your choice, I guess, in a 15-second consistency. If you're interested in getting these cookie cutters, they're available as 3D printer STL files on my website at www.l-treats.com. And once you've finished outlining, go ahead and flood in the cookie. My icing is a 15 to 20-second consistency, so I can go right up to the edge without worrying about it overflowing. But if your icing is not quite as thick, go ahead and leave a little gap by the edge and use your scribe or your toothpick to get the icing out to the edge. And then I got these sprinkles at Target, I think, so I'm just going to use them for the eyes and put them right into the wet flood icing. And then I let my cookie dry for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to use a tip that has a combed side on one side and a flat edge on the other. And with the flat edge facing up, I'm just going to go ahead and make my mummy wrap on the cookie, touching down and going across the cookie and touching down on the other side. I'll leave a link in the description for which tip that I used. And I'm just going to make a series of crisscrossing lines until I have my cat all wrapped up and mummified. And you're going to want to wipe your tip off in between each strip so that it has a nice clean start. And if you have any edges that you need to push down, just take a dampened paintbrush and push those down and shape them if needed. So I went pretty crazy with this cat and I really wrapped him up, but I'm going to try to draw in a nose and a little bit of whiskers here with my edible marker now that my cookie has been drying overnight. It is completely dry, so it's safe to write on with my edible marker. Anyway, I think these little guys are adorable. And you're going to want to subscribe to the channel so you can see the other cats in the series. And I also wanted to tell you about my Halloween cookie decorating class that is now also a Christmas Gnomy cookie decorating class. You'll make 10 different cookies, 5 for Halloween and 5 for Christmas. You don't need any experience. I'll teach you everything you need to know to decorate cookies. It'll be lots of fun and you'll have unforgettable holiday memories. So check out the link in the description. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and if so, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.